Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a little comparison between the Defender Pro and the Defender case from Otterbox for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm going to get some questions about it, and I want to see what the difference really is. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been getting some questions about the Defender Pro and then also the Defender series case from Otterbox, and everybody wants to know what the difference is, well the main difference is, and then do you get more protection with one of the other cases compared to the other one? In this video I'm going to try to explain it. I'm not going to try on both cases or anything like that. We're just going to have a discussion about, you know, these two cases. I have already reviewed the Defender Pro case on my channel already. If you want to check that out, look in the description. I'll have the links in the description below. I need to give a shout out to Otterbox for actually sending these two cases to me for review. You can pick these cases up from Otterbox and then also Amazon. Otterbox has the Defender Pro. Amazon really has just a Defender case on there. Now let's get into it. What's one of the main differences you see? These lines right here. The design, yes, is a little bit different, but you get the same drop protection. It says 4-time tested, 2 military standard. You also get 4-time tested here. Let's open up both boxes really quick. All right, so they both come with a belt clip, which can become like a kickstand. As you can tell, the belt clips are the same size, so there's not really a size difference on these cases, but I do like how you can make this like a little kickstand. You just click that in place and it becomes a little kickstand for you. So that's actually pretty cool. So they both get the little holsters there. Now, here you go. What is the difference? You see the lines there? They open the same way. And then the inside, you have the Defender Drop Plus. This says Defender Pro. The main difference, let me bring up the website. Now, I don't know if my camera will focus or not, but you can see right there, the Defender Pro has a silver-based antimicrobial additive into the case that helps, you know, growth of bacteria and defends the case from, you know, common bacteria. It does have a little asterisk. It may say not the, you know, C word, which I'm not going to say on this channel. So it does have, like, you know, bacteria protection on this one here. It has some type of, I didn't know if it was silver based, so yeah, that's pretty cool. But you get basically the same case, except for you get that bacterial protection on this case. Now, do you really need it on this one? That's up to you. Are you worried about germs? Do you wipe off your phones? This one in the inside has a little bit more cushion than this, but they both have some cushion there too. But you take off the cases pretty much the same. Like, it's a 3-piece case pretty much. So you have to just take these little clips off everywhere you go around. And then you have another clip too. So let me take these apart. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You don't really take that apart yet. You pull this plastic apart here. So, now can I fit this onto this case here? Let's try that out. Now you just want to pull this apart. Take it easy, you don't want to like rip it. Can I make this interchangeable? So, can this piece here fit on this one? Let's find out right now. Now, do they recommend this? Probably not. But, as you can tell, now it does take some work. I mean, it's not an easy thing to get back on. But think I almost have it. There you go. So I have the Defender case back on the inside of the Defender Pro. So now I have a Defender Pro Series Pro case. So right there it just shows that it's the same case. It's just outlined with some, you know, antimicrobial bacteria protection. Is it worth the extra bucks that you pay on this? I probably would say yes. You know, I probably will say yes to that. But the rest of how you get this case apart too, I can show y'all that really quick, is you pull this apart. Not bad. Then on these little clips here, one here, one here, one up there, one up there, one here, you basically want to take them apart. If you have fingernails, the easier it is. And there you go. Now look, I have pieces everywhere. So which case should you pick up? Now, that's up to y'all. If you can find the Defender Pro, I would say go with the Defender Pro case just for that antimicrobial protection. Say that 5 times fast. But if you just find the Defender case, and what if you don't like the lines? If you don't like the lines, then pick up this case. It will give you the same protection though on each case. Some people were saying that you got more protection. No, the only really difference is you get that bacteria protection on here. Now, if you believe that you get more protection on this case, show me in the video, let me know in the comments, but it's basically the same case between both of them. Some other differences on there, the colors are different on each case. You can get different colors from this one than that one. This one does cost a little, like I think $5 more on the website than this one, but they work pretty much the same as far as the protection goes and everything else. This just gives you that like extra bacterial protection. But if this video helped in any way, let me know. Again, I can show y'all how to take the phone apart, put the phone back together. It's pretty simple to do. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.